how to insert a video into a presentation that you can then play when you are presenting. So I have a presentation here in Google format, and the way for you to add a video, you're gonna come here to insert, right, you just click on insert, then you come to video, you're gonna click on video, and then there's two ways you can insert a video. You can upload it from Google Drive, or you can get it directly from YouTube. So in this case, I want to use a video that is on YouTube, so I have it in a different tab here already. This is the video that I want to use, so I'm just going to select the address here, Ctrl+C to copy, come back to my presentation, and I'm going to paste the URL. So I pasted the URL, and then I'm going to press return, and it found my video, so you just have to click on it and then insert. Okay, now there's clearly a lot of formatting that I need to do right here. Now the first thing is that the format options editor for the video playback has already opened. So I'm just gonna click got it here, and you can actually choose from where you want the video to play. So say you want to show only a specific part of it that is at I know 58 seconds, so you could come here at start at, and then 58, and then say you want to play it only until 1 minute and 15 seconds, so you want to play it only for the first 17 seconds. Okay, so you can also choose here if you want to play on click. So if you leave it as it is, whenever you come to the slide and you click, the video is going to start playing. You can change that to automatically, or you can put it on manually, so you have actually to go there and press play. So let's leave it, let's put on play on manual, because we want to decide when this one to play. And you can also mute the audio in case you only want to show the images. In this case I want the audio to play, so fine. And then there is a lot more options